Hey guys, today's video we're going to set up the new GoPro Hero7 Black, and after that we're going to set up into the GoPro apps. So come with me guys and let's go get started. So here's the GoPro and let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, and then now it prompts us the language. Let's go ahead and select English, then hit the check. Then after that it will take us to the legal stuff. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at gopro.com/legal. So more to read on that one, just visit the website. So for now we're gonna go ahead and do agree. So this is the GPS. GPS is like when you're at the locations and just to capture the location where your videos and photo are taken. So that's basically it. So let's go, and I'm gonna turn it on for now. Okay. Now this is the GoPro apps. These are the GoPro apps. For now, I'm going to skip this. So give us the time to download the apps into the smartphone. And then it will ask us if we want us to skip, and then I will skip it for now. So it brings us to the date. So now the date is and let's put the today's date. Today's date, and that's the today's date. Let's set the time. Go. Okay, the time is set. Hit the check. So now we are in the GoPro guys. So now we are done for setting, and the GoPro camera from the screen, we have the video icon, we have the zoom. For the first time it will ask us this. Check, and then this is the zoom. So that's good. And then this is the video. We get the video, we get the looping, we get the photo verse and night options. Put that one aside for now. Go to the app store and let's look for GoPro. Here's the GoPro. I already downloaded this one the first time. For the sake of this video, I remove it and then re-download it. Now the GoPro apps is already uploaded. Now let's go to the GoPro camera. So from the GoPro from the top, swipe it down. And then tap the preference. Then tap the connection. Then connect device. And then select the GoPro apps. So now it's gonna put us into the pairing mode. And then don't allow for now, and then connect camera, hit that. So that's the pairing mode I'm talking about, guys. So pair. So now it gave us the option to rename the camera. So I think this is very helpful, especially if you have 2 or more GoPros, so that way you can identify which one you have. Let's go ahead and save the name. So this is your hero is ready, that's what it says. And then let's go hit let's go. Legal stuff, and then I agreed. Met, and then allow notification because I would like that. And then let's go allow. So now we are installing updates. As you guys can see, they're still updating. So it will take a minute to do so. There you go. So now everything is set up. Then let's hit done. So now everything is set up. Let's go ahead and hit done. Then control your GoPro. And then let's go and control your GoPro. And then boom, there you go. We are now connected to the GoPro. So there you go, guys. We are now connected to the GoPro. from the GoPro to the smartphone. So now the GoPro and the smartphone should be connected and ready to use. So there you have it. So what we did in this video, we set up the GoPro, we download the apps, we connect the smartphone to the GoPro. So that's it, guys. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please do subscribe. And thank you from me, the 18 channel. Thank you.